Hey guys, today is day 34 of my 90 days getting my dream car Tesla and Dubai Villa Challenge. What a wonderful time I have spent today. Today I woke up at 4 o'clock. From 4 a.m. to 5 a.m. I had healthy breakfast, oats, milk, dates. I mean, it all depends on my taste. I had that, and 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. I have offered my morning prayer and navigated to Malcolm Cheru Park. After reaching there, I have realized Malcolm Cheru Park is closed. Some construction work is going on, so I navigated back to. I came here in Deccan Park. Now the time is 9 a.m. So I have spent my 2 hours time in this beautiful, you know, Deccan Park. It's just beside Seven Tombs. If you are in Hyderabad, I request you to please visit this Deccan Park with your kids. It's one of the beautiful parks we have in Hyderabad. And I have met with four incredible people today. I have met with my one of my old friends, Imran, in this park, and he is a QA technical guy, technical person working for, I guess, Wells Fargo, and his friend who is a financial leader in one of the, I think, facts that I met. And I got the we have shared the knowledge. I have shared my knowledge of health, fitness, and artificial intelligence, and they have shared you know their knowledge to me. It's all sharing the knowledge from each other. It was wonderful meeting with my friend after a long time. And I met with my old colleague. And please don't touch this hand, don't touch this. And also I have met with my uh, old old colleague from Deloitte, Mr. Ammar, who is a passionate technical leader. And I mean, it was wonderful meeting and sharing the beautiful memories we had before. And I have met with his brother, who is a passionate software engineer, dreaming to work in Dubai. He has already got so much of exposure in Dubai. He has studied in Dubai. His brother Munir. It was wonderful meeting you, Munir. Inshallah, you will get settled in Dubai for sure. Just keep working hard, keep praying, and that's it. I know it was. I now I have to go. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. I'll spend time in editing this vlog, then I'll publish it from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. For an entrepreneur, there is no Sunday or Saturday. Every day is a work day. Every day is a vacation. So I'll spend time, and tonight I might fly to Dubai with my family. See you guys tomorrow. Take care. If you want me to build health, fitness, and AI application, just let me know. DM me. I'll build your application in one day, just one day, and I'll give you the best quotation no one can provide in the world. Thank you. Guy, you say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, bolo yaar.
Bye.
Hey guys, if you are in Hyderabad, please visit Deccan Park. बोल के बोलो.
Hey guys.
इधर के बोलो. इधर आके बोलो.
Hey guys.
बोलो.
Hey guys. You.
If you are in Hyderabad,
Hey guys. If you're Hyderabad, please visit Deccan Park.
it's one of the beautiful parks. मैं
It's
बोल के
one
बोल.
of.
See, hey guys, if you are in Hyderabad, please visit Deccan Park. It's one of the beautiful parks we have in Hyderabad. Say,
Hey guys. If you're Hyderabad, please
visit
visit the Deccan Park. in beautiful
It's
park.
one of the beautiful parks
It's one of the beautiful park
we have in
we,
Hyderabad.
we have in Hyderabad.
We have in Hyderabad.
We have in Hyderabad.
Take care.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. See you guys tomorrow in
See
Dubai.
you guys tomorrow, Dubai.
We are flying to Dubai. Bol.
We are flying to Dubai.
Burj Khalifa.
Burj.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Burj Khalifa, we will come to Dubai.
And say Habibi, come to Dubai. Say. And say Habibi, come to Dubai. Hey, don't do like that. Ann. Say, please come to Dubai.
Habibi, please come to Dubai. Burj Khalifa.
And the funny part is, when I was doing that full body exercises in this park, few kids they just watched my exercise and they too joined. You know, not only your kids, all the kids, they don't follow your advice. They just follow whatever we do. If we do push-ups, they will also join. If we do squats, they will also join. And if you do pull-ups, they will also join. Thank you for listening. See you guys tomorrow. And again, I am telling you the same thing. Walking is just an activity. Walking is not an exercise. God has created us. God has created us not only just to walk. We have to walk. We have to run, and we have to jump, and we have to do all the fitness skills. Not only walking. Ayu, do you like this car? Thar? Huh? See how beautiful the car is. Say bye. Ayu, do you like this car? Shall we buy it? Say bye.
चल चल रे चल मेरे साथी हम बन गए हैदराबादी तन बड़िलो चोटिते ही हैदराबाद की साथ कैदी Everybody's what they wanna be प्यार से जीतेंगे हम सभी प्रतिनित्यम मदिलो निलचे नीदी नादी मन सिरी in Deccan City girls are so pretty पड़दामा पोटी पदना तोटी in Cyber City like a true devotee they love their duty and also party hey चल चल रे चल मेरे साथी हम बन गए हैदराबादी तन बड़िलो चोटी जेही हैदराबाद की साथ कैदी Everybody's what they wanna be प्यार से जीतेंगे हम सभी प्रतिनित्यम मदिलो निलचे नीदी नादी मन सिरी about history, it's never ever ending true glory. If you wanna learn about history, it's never ever ending true glory. Yeah. ముత్యాలు గాజుల షహరు అనుకుంటే పొరబడతారు మన ముందుకు సాగే తీరు గమనిస్తే జై కొడతారు మన గోలు పండ సాలర్ జంగ్ చార్మినారు గానా చేరితే లే అని చెబుతుంటారు కానీ చేటికి మాటికి నెక్లెస్ రోడ్లు ఐమాక్స్ హాలు సారా దాగా ఎప్పుడు చుడుతుంటారు ఉరుకుల పరుగుల నగరం ఇది లేరా మనకి న్యూ హోమ్ బిజీ బిజీ బతుకుల సమరం ఇట్స్ సీరియస్ ద న్యూ మిలేనియం చల్ చల్ రే చల్ మేరే సాథీ యూరప్ అమెరికా సైతం కన్యేసే మనపై నిత్యం ఈ సైబర్ బాబుల కష్టం పెంచునులే ఆంధ్ర ఇన్కమ్ ఎక్కడెక్కడి నుంచో యువతే ఎంతో ఆశలతోటి ఈ హైదరాబాదుకి కదిలొస్తారు కొంచెం తెలివి చొరవ చూపకపోతే ఎవరై అయినా ఈ సిలికాన్ స్పీడ్ కి తడబడతారు ఉరుకుల పరుగుల నగరం ఇది లేరా మనకి న్యూ హోమ్ బిజీ బిజీ బతుకుల సమరం ఇట్స్ సీరియస్ ద న్యూ మిలేనియం చల్ చల్ రే చల్ మేరే సాథీ हम बन गए हैदराबादी तन बड़िलो चोटिते ही हैदराबाद की साथ कैदी Everybody's what they wanna be प्यार से जीतेंगे हम सभी प्रतिनित्यम मदिलो निलचे नीदी नादी मन सिरी
हैदराबाद शहर का मैं स्ट्रीट सेलिब्रिटी, ओसीडी की स्लैंग लेके आया एमटीवी, आईएचएस की हिस्ट्री में है चुआडी सिटी, डेफिनेटली डेफिनेशन ऑथेंटिसिटी का। हैदराबाद शहर का मैं स्ट्रीट सेलिब्रिटी, ओसीडी की स्लैंग लेके आया एमटीवी, आईएचएस की हिस्ट्री में है चुआडी सिटी, डेफिनेटली डेफिनेशन ऑथेंटिसिटी का। बिरयानी के नाम पे सब खाते पुलाव, असल बिरयानी खाने का है तो हैदराबाद तू आओ। आते आते सफर की वजह से सिर में दर्द हुआ तो ईरानी चाय की दो चुस्की लगाओ। समुंदर नहीं है यहाँ पे लेकिन सी फूड मिलता वाओ। मच्छी मार्केट तू गए तो करते रहना फिश काउंट, चार मीनार के बाजार का हर सेलर एक ही बात बोलता, हेलो मैडम इधर मिलता है डिस्काउंट। इज्जत पिंगा तो डबल इज्जत देते, मोताबरी बताते कुछ जेब में रख के टहलते। रगों में खून नहीं रगों में जहर, ये सपनों की नगरी नहीं हकीकत का शहर है। रियलिटी चेक मिलता हर दूसरी गली में, इडली डोसा सेट मिलता हर दूसरी गली में। थोड़ा फ्लेक्स भी कर लेंगे क्या, केडन का एक फैन मिलता हर दूसरी गली में। हैदराबाद शहर का मैं स्ट्रीट सेलिब्रिटी, ओसीडी की स्लैंग लेके आया एमटीवी, आईएचएस की हिस्ट्री में है चुआडी सिटी, डेफिनेटली डेफिनेशन ऑथेंटिसिटी का। मजा आ रहा नहीं, अब और आता सुनो। रोहित शेट्टी के आइडियाज को भी जरूरत मेरे शहर की, रामोजी में बनती आपकी ब्लॉकबस्टर फिल्म। हरियाणा का जाट हो या गुज्जर का छोरा, सब लोगों को देखने का है साउथ की फिल्म। गोरिया भी पसंद करती है अल्लू अर्जुन का डांस, स्टाइलिश स्टार बोलते ब्रांड है वो ब्रांड। तू कितने भी बड़े बाप का बेटा रहने, इधर कोई भी झुकेगा नहीं, पूरे पुष्पा के फैन। ये नगर दयाबंद बदल देता भाग्य, जो आता यहाँ पे उसके हाथ की लकीर बदल जाती। कितनी हीरोनी यहाँ प्रमोट करती न्यूडिटी, लेकिन साई पल्लवी की सिंप्लिसिटी वाली बात नहीं आती। 70 मिलियन पॉपुलेशन तेलुगु लोगों की, फिर भी बिलियंस में व्यूज। राउडी बेबी गारा कॉन्कर, नाटू फ्रॉम ट्रिपल आर मूवी बना फर्स्ट साउथ फिल्म सॉन्ग टू विन एन ऑस्कर। बखूबी निभाते रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, बाहर वालों के लिए रखते फुल फैसिलिटी। हैदराबाद को आने वाले अंग्रेजा भी बोलते ओ माय गॉड इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल सिटी। हैदराबाद शहर का मैं स्ट्रीट सेलिब्रिटी, ओसीडी की स्लैंग लेके आया एमटीवी, आईएचएस की हिस्ट्री में है चुआडी सिटी, डेफिनेटली डेफिनेशन ऑथेंटिसिटी का। हैदराबाद शहर का मैं स्ट्रीट सेलिब्रिटी, ओसीडी की स्लैंग लेके आया एमटीवी, आईएचएस की हिस्ट्री में है चुआडी सिटी, डेफिनेटली डेफिनेशन ऑथेंटिसिटी का। केडन बोलते केडन, क्या बोलते स्ट्रीट सेलिब्रिटी। नवाबों के शहर से 5 लाख 12 पूरे शहर में नहीं पूरे हिंदुस्तान में छाड़ा चलते।